If your pension is with any of these providers, then you've got a problem and you need to sort it out. Okay, if it is with St. James's Place, Fidelity, 91, Bailey Gifford, Lion Trust, Columbia Threadneedle, or Jupiter, then what I suggest, given their consistent underperformance, that's 3-year underperformance versus the benchmark, in some cases minus 27%, minus 37%, minus 26 and 31%, unless you are independently wealthy and don't need to rely on your pension, I suggest you speak to your employer about switching. Consider a SIP or an ISA, self-invested personal pension, so you can do it yourself, or an ISA, so you can manage it yourself and start learning a bit more about investing, so you can at least ask the right questions to your IFA. Ask them this question: how did they perform in 2022? Okay, just ask them that one for a start. And what I suggest is that you improve your know-how. Have a look at the links in the bio, alpeshpatel.com/links. This is part of my campaign to improve pensions for people around the world who are over-reliant on so-called expert fund managers. Instead, I want you to download a free copy of this. Okay, it's one of my 18 books published, in this case by Palgrave Macmillan. I've written many more, including that, which was an international bestseller published by the Financial Times, quite sizable tomes. Have a look at alpeshpatel.com/links and you can learn a lot more. And I want to thank all the people who've supported me over the year, because it's thanks to them. See that YouTube silver plaque? Thanks to them I got that as well. Thank you all very much.